My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Beauty fans and Bella fans, they don't clash again over content creation. And also, Rose and her look-alike sister don't cause internet traffic. And lastly, phyna don't say make she take a little break from the gbos wey say she dey give us, come bag another huge endorsement. This one loud. So Liquor come out come post this picture of her and her look-alike sister. People come dey ask say whether they be twins or they be just siblings. When I first see the picture, I no even know which one be Liquor and which one be the sister. Una fit help me check whether na the one wey get black hair and na the one wey get blonde hair, because the two of them they look the same. This na real carbon copy of each other. If na really true say they not be twins, e go dey hard to believe. They look so beautiful. The most unproblematic BB Naija housemate wey be say don ever surface. After her say before Nengi. But from their height, I go pick the one wey carry blonde hair, because Liquor not to reach this other one na. So Liquor na go be this one wey be say dey shorter. But regardless, the both of them they look beautiful. If you dey watch this video and you never subscribe, abeg try make you subscribe to this channel, like this video and help me comment. Also share this video. Una thank you. So onto Beauty and Bella matter, a particular fan come out calling Beauty after she, according to the fan dey claim say Beauty thief Bella content creation. And I know say Bella na fashionista, and her content wey be say she dey drop for online na a content wey be say she dey dress up. She go bring her the clothes wey be say she wan wear, she go come dress up, na just her way of creating awareness for the brand wey be say she dey influence for. So wetin she dey do, she go come out, she go dress up, she go bring her earring, she go spray perfume, go rub the perfume for her body. So this na the video of how she dey do her own creation. So this na the video. The thing wey be say dey there be say Beauty come out come post come copy exactly this type of thing wey be say Bella do for her video, and the thing come dey make people dey Bella fans dey complain. According to them, they say anything wey be say Bella do, Beauty go copy am, because Beauty dey use burner account take dey follow up Bella. This na the Beauty video. This na the time wey be say she wan go for that Oppo launching wey be say they do few days ago. So she can't do this video as a way of advertising the phone. So Bella fans come out come call her. So the person wey call her out, she say her name na the cutest Kimi. She can't say Beauty they copy Bella content, come pull up in everybody. So it was entering her eyes since laugh in Dollar Queen. Yes, to be honest, the content they look the same, exactly the same. I just say na different people dey inside and a different dressing, but I not see anything where they wrong if you copy person content. All of us they copy everybody thing. Just so make we see some comments after the bloggers carry the two videos to compare. And the first person here say, person where her sister they obsessed with Bella, what do you expect? Them they follow her with fake pages. When I remember say Beauty sister and Bella, they don't get serious problem online before. So that make this person they refer to this particular incident where happened as say they obsessed with her. Another person gonna say, I thought I was the only one that noticed that anyways. Come put laughing emoji. The next one gonna say she doesn't have content or personality. She used to copy phyna. Make she find herself. She doesn't want to do the other market again. Make they leave her. I don't understand the meaning of copying phyna. How Beauty take copy phyna? In what aspect? Some people go just they go just they find trouble for where we say trouble no day. Just to just say something. Now wow. The last person say Beauty will always be the biggest person. I not see any need for any comparison. Bella is big on her own, Beauty is big on her own. Two of them, they are doing well in their respective lives. So I not see a reason why any person in the right sense would they compare two beautiful and strong women like that. It's senseless to me. Bella not be the first person where do that particular content creation. Where we say a show na so make everybody rest. So onto phyna matter, phyna come out today, come announce a huge, very huge endorsement deal. Even despite all the buzzwords wey they go on with her since how many days, the guest still bag endorsement deal. So she come out, come announce and come drop this and say, welcome our latest ambassador. Now Asiwaju Herbs, nice sign her. For una wey no know Asiwaju Herb na very big brand for dis Nigeria. So phyna come take to her social media handle to celebrate her win. She come say una know say to be brand ambassador for Asiwaju Herbs, you suppose know say I'm a effing baller. She come still say giveaway for grabs this evening by 7 p.m. Instagram live don be late o. So she dey announce am for una now. Giveaway dey for una. No be small thing. Asiwaju Herb na big brand o, na big brand. When I tell una to say that 5 million naira wey be say everybody dey drag her for, she fit afford am. I think say I just dey talk am. Dey there. Let dis Asiwaju company sef fit even for them to sign her sef, they fit give am more than the 5 million at a go. So phyna no poor, she's rich. I like the fact say she don dey look wetin people dey buy take dey waste her money. She dey use sense take dey spend her own money. Na the best way to live life be that. Una take care, una bye.